Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of a recently closed trade ID number 379. As you can see, this was on symbol C or Citigroup. It was a long strangle within our volatility strategy, which is primarily comprised of strangles. We do them in a unique way. I'll talk more about that in a moment, but you can see the entry alert was sent out on September 10th. So in these strangles, we're looking for stocks that have a breakout pattern. Primarily, we look for triangles, ascending, symmetrical, or descending triangles. I know there's other types of breakout patterns, but triangles are the ones that we prefer. And in addition, we like to see a very low ADX. The ADX within the DMI measures the strength of a trend. So if the ADX reading is really low, it's telling you the stock is trendless, a la consolidating, and likely to break out in the not too distant future. And you can see with these triangle patterns and the arrows there, with the strangle, the way we set them up, we don't care whether the stock breaks to the upside or the downside. In fact, our unique way of doing them guarantees us to mathematically make money as fast as possible. If the stock breaks out, it still has to break out. In this case, Citigroup did break to the downside, but it gapped down. So if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I don't like it when stocks gap, because then you have the question of when's the gap going to get filled? Sooner, or is it going to take a while? In addition, it moved down to a level of support, and furthering, the CCI was showing an extreme point low, meaning that the stock is kind of likely ready to break back to the upside. And if you were to look at a current chart of Citigroup, you'll be able to see that indeed it did do that. It moved back to the upside, filled this gap, and has been trading in a range kind of in the area of where the triangle was. So if we hadn't sent the alert out to close this position, we would have lost the gain. Now, a 20% gain is not the norm for these strangles. We usually average between 30 and 70% on a stock that breaks out with this strategy, but still 20% in just 10 days is not too bad. I hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.